Hello everyone, it's me Chubby from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to extract any text or words present in an image using iPhone and Samsung smartphones. So without more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see on the left side I have a iPhone smartphone and on the right side I have a Samsung smartphone. So firstly let me show you on your iPhone. Just open the Photos application and say I have one image file with some words or text. So you can see here, once you open that image file, you will see here one floating icon. As you can see here, just tap on it. Now it will extract all the text. Now you can see here, you can either copy all or you can just tap and hold and you can select the particular word or text, whichever you want. You can just copy it and you can just paste it on any notes application. So you can see here. So this is how you can do on your iPhone, and on your Samsung smartphone just open the gallery application and just select the image with some text or words, as you can see. And once you open that image having a text, so you can see here on the bottom one icon, just tap on this. Now it will extract all the text and you can just tap and hold and you can select, or you can select all also. You can just copy it and similarly you can just paste it on any notes application. So using these cool tricks, you can easily extract any text or words present in an image using iPhone and Samsung smartphones very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.